Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class, standard 7. 15.1. Question number 1. Identify the nets which can be used to make a cubes. Cut out copies of the nets and try it. So here you have to assume only because whether it is possible or not. So some of the nets are given, answers are given 2, 3, 4 and 6. So 2, 3, 4 and 6. So first of all, take a piece of paper, make the cube and try to make the different nets, whether it is possible or not. You have to remember only because without showing I cannot explain this one. Then question number 2. Dies are cubes with dots on each face. Opposite faces of die I always have a total of 7 dots on them. Here are 2 nets to make cubes. The numbers inserted in each square indicate the number of dots in that box. Insert suitable numbers in the blanks, remembering that the number on the opposite faces should be 7. So here is the dice. It's a 1, 2, 3 up to 6. Okay, these numbers are located. Here are the nets of this dice. We have to complete the numbers, but the opposite faces will make total 7. Now which are the opposite faces? Let me just explain you. In this 1, here only, this box and this square both are the opposite faces in this dice. So 6 and here 1, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 and 4 both are opposite to each other faces. So 4 plus 3, 7. Here it comes 3. Then 5 and this one both are opposite faces. So 5 plus 2, 7. So here it's completed. Here it's a 1, here 2 and here 3. Same way. Then here opposite faces, these two faces are opposite. So this you have to remember only. So 4 plus 3, then 5 plus 7 and 1 plus 6. Okay. Can this be net for a die? Explain your answer. So just look at the previous question. This can be a net for die. How? Sum of their opposite faces should be 7. So here 6 plus 3, 8. Not possible. Then here it will be given. See 6 plus 3, then 1 plus 4. Okay, so this cannot be the net for a die. Why? Because one pair of opposite faces will have 1 and 4 on them. Another pair of opposite faces will have 3 and 6 on them, whose total is not equal to 7. Here is an incomplete net for making a cube. Complete it in at least 2 different ways. Remember that a cube has 6 faces. How many faces are there in a net? Here. Give 2 separate diagrams. If you like, you may use square sheet for any manipulation. You have to complete the diagram. Okay, this is the cube. How many faces are there? Total 6 number of faces are there. Okay. Now we are starting from the downside. This is the one face. Then other side, second one. So if you are going to open it, then that will come on the right side. Look at this face, that will come on the left side. Okay, so three faces were opened up. Then which one left out? This square. So that you can draw here, opened. Now this back side face you are going to open, then it will come here. Okay, now which one left out? Upper side, topmost face. So that can be either with this side or from the back side. So you can join with anyone. So let me put it here. This is a gnat. You can see this is the gnat. Now this is the question. Here is the question. Okay, so we have completed. This is the first gnat. Same way you can open it in so many ways. Okay, one by one you have to put the faces aside along with the previous one. Now let's see the fifth question. Match the gnats with appropriate solids. So when you are going to open the square cube, then it will look like this. Then cylinder, this is the gnat of the cylinder. Then cone, this is the gnat of the cone, and this is the gnat of the pyramid. All the faces you are going to separate, you are going to open it. Then how it will look, that is the thing. Fifth question that we have done only. Okay, so here this exercise 15.1 is over. Thank you.